Hi friends, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Neil. If you are new here, my name is Neil. I am a Chinese student studying AI in Europe. In this video, I want to show you how to cook one of my favorite Chinese breakfasts, the Chinese Scallion Pancake. To cook this food, we will need the following materials. First, we need a Chinese Scallion Pancake. In Chinese, it's pronounced as 手抓饼, which literally means the pancake you should eat with your hands. You should be able to find those pre-made pancakes in most of the Asian stores. We will need an egg. We can also use some meat and vegetables. In my case, I will use bacon and lettuce, but you can choose whatever you like. For the tools, we need only a pan or wok. So let's get started. First, we turn on the cooktop and adjust the power between medium and the highest level. This is very important because most of the failed pancakes are overcooked. So it is better to keep the heating power under control. I usually pick 7 or 8 in the scale of 1 to 9 so that I can cook a little bit faster with low risk of overcooked. Then we can directly put the pancake into the pan and let it get heated up. After a while, you can see the outer part of the pancake is getting cooked. While we are waiting for the pancake, we can cook the meat at the same time. I pick another pan and cook 2 slices of bacon. When you see all the white part of the pancake is gone, it means one side of the pancake is almost done. You can check if the pancake can move if you shake a bit, or check if another side is a bit yellow or not. If it looks good, then we can put the eggs on the top of the uncooked side. Then we will nicely spread the eggs on the top of the pancake. Flip the pancake to cook other side and the egg. Just wait a few minutes and your pancake will be ready. When you move your pancake from pan to plate, make sure that the egg side is on the top, so later we can put the bacon and the lettuce on the top of it. Then we can wrap the pancake and start enjoying. To briefly summarize, first, if you are cooking this for the first time, don't use the highest power to avoid overcooking. Second, there's no need to add extra oil for pre-made pancake. Last, feel free to put any meat or vegetables you like in the wrap. If you like and find this video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.